In question 2, we have to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. There are at least 2 ways we could do this. The first approach is what we can call the midpoint approach, which relies on the fact that to find a rational number between two rational numbers r and s, so let's say that these are the two rational numbers on the number line r and s, you can add r and s and divide the sum by 2. So to get r plus s by 2, which will be a rational number lying exactly midway between r and s. So this midpoint between r and s will be the rational number r plus s by 2. Let's apply this approach to 3 and 4. So first let's plot 3 and 4 on the number line to help us visualize better. So let's say that this is 3 and let's say that this is 4. So now the midpoint of 3 and 4 is 3 plus 4 by 2. So let's say that it lies here, 3 plus 4 by 2 or 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 is one rational number that lies between 3 and 4. Now we can find the midpoints between 3 and 7 by 2. And between 7 by 2 and 4. Both of these midpoints will be rational numbers as well. The midpoint between 3 and 7 by 2, which will lie here, will be 3 plus 7 by 2 by 2. So 3 plus 7 by 2 by 2. So this is actually 13 by 2 by 2 or 13 by 4. So 13 by 4. And the midpoint between 7 by 2 and 4 will be 7 by 2 plus 4 by 2. So this will be 15 by 2 by 4 or 15 by 2 by 2 or 15 by 4. So the midpoint between 7 by 2 and 4 will be 15 by 4. So 13 by 4 and 15 by 4 are two other rational numbers that lie between 3 and 4. We still need to find 3 more rational numbers between 3 and 4. So let's find the midpoints between 3 and 13 by 4. So 3 and 13 by 4. Between 13 by 4 and 7 by 2. And between 7 by 2 and 15 by 4. The midpoint between 3 and 13 by 4, so let's say this point here, will be 3 plus 13 by 4 by 2 or 25 by 4 by 2 or 25 by 8. So 25 by 8. The midpoint between 13 by 4 and 7 by 2 will be 13 by 4 plus 7 by 2 by 2, or this is 27 by 4 by 2 or 27 by 8. So 27 by 8. And the midpoint between 7 by 2 and 15 by 4 will be 7 by 2 plus 15 by 4 by 2, or this will be 29 by 4 by 2 or 29 by 8. So 25 by 8, 27 by 8 and 29 by 8 are 3 other rational numbers that lie between 3 and 4. So the 6 rational numbers we have found between 3 and 4 using the midpoint approach are 25 by 8, 13 by 4, 27 by 8, 7 by 2, 29 by 8 and 15 by 4. So this is the first approach to find rational numbers between two numbers. Now let's go on to the second approach. The second approach to do the same question is to find 6 rational numbers in one step. So since we want 6 numbers, we write 3 and 4, the numbers, the endpoints, as rational numbers with the denominator 6 plus 1 or 7. So 3 is actually 21 by 7 and 4 is 28 by 7. So we write the two numbers with the denominator 7. Now the numerators 21 and 28 have a gap of 7. So we can take the rational numbers 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7, which are all rational numbers lying between 3 and 4, because we wrote 3 as 21 by 7 and we wrote 4 as 28 by 7. So these 6 rational numbers lie between 21 by 7 or 3 and 28 by 7 or 4. By the way, there is nothing special about the denominator 7. In fact, any natural number greater than 7 will also work as the denominator, and you can go ahead and try it. So okay, that completes this question using the two methods, and you can see that the second method to find some rational numbers between two given rational numbers is clearly faster in most cases. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.